kay Tita and nasa hand reserve tayo. I-invade natin ang napakaganda na hand reserve. Kasama ko dito ang kanilang marketing. Hi! Name first.
I'm Iana from the marketing team of Cancer.
Single or taken, may boyfriend. Okay, now you will give us a tour of the hand reserve golf club. Dito. So, eto guys, pag enter ninyo, makikita nyo na yung partly yung view. Sobra siyang mahangin. Tapos dito you will register here, no?
Yes.
Siguro maganda din you tell them what is the rates now.
Actually, we're on our low season.
Low
The
season?
low season ends at October. So right now, our weekday rate is 9,600 and our weekend is 12,000. So our operation days are Wednesday to Sunday. So we count
Okay.
the weekday as the
Wednesday to Friday.
And then the weekend is the
Saturday and Sunday. So how do they like reserve?
Usually, when you see our website, you can check our website, thehandreserve.com.
.com.
Of course, we can they will have an email then and telephone number.
Yes.
Or of course, you can also reserve in one of our team, like me.
Like her. Okay.
Okay, but for your own convenience, of course, you can also always reach out to our email address, the reservations, the handreserve reservations.
Guys, it's my first time to play here and super I love it. Grabe. Ang ganda-ganda ng fairway, ang ganda-ganda ng green. Masisiraan kayo ng bait sa green. It's every golfer's dream to play in a fairway na ganito. It's like you're not in the Philippines. Kahit na mailang putt ka guys, natutuwa ka. And in fact, actually natutuwa kasi kami na yung mga putting namin doon, ngayon lang kami nakakita ng mga putts na bumabalik-balik. So guys, take advantage of their promo until October. So very, very sa akin, very sobrang sulit for the value na you really experience. It's as if na pumunta ka na ng ibang country talaga. Kasi I've played in other countries, Singapore, Dubai, sa States. Pareho sila. Mas maganda pa. Ang ganda ng views. And I think kailangan natin sabihin, ang open pa lang is the first course.
Yes,
no?
the first
It's the
course.
Dragon's Landing, guys. It's a Jack Nicklaus course. They will be opening 2 more.
Yes.
Pero yung isa, which is anong name na?
The 6 moons, which is the
Six
KJ
moons,
course. Yeah.
okay.
Right now, we're planning to open the first 9th hole by the end of the year, hoping.
Yes.
And we're gonna open the KJ Choi course. I believe there's gonna be a driving range as well on that.
Okay. Ngayon, there's no driving range.
None pa,
Okay.
none. And for the third, which is the Gavin Steve, for the Nick Faldo.
Nick Faldo.
Yeah,
So parang links course yun, guys. Ano?
So, bale, that will be the membership, exclusive for membership.
Membership.
And may sarili siyang.
Kailangan i-invite tayo ulit niya.
Yes.
To see the second and the third course.
Yes, of
So
course.
dito ang kanilang mga reception. Hello girls. Say hi to the vlog. Are you single or taken? Anong name mo?
Kasi po.
Cassie, single ka ba or taken?
Taken po.
Ay, taken. Ay, ikaw, anong name
Kim
mo?
po.
Single or taken? Taken. Marami bang pogi dito? Parang, dami ko nakita dun eh. Foreigners.
Yes.
Saka fully booked daw kayo. Until kailan?
We don't know.
Okay, so when we enter this, the clubhouse, ang makikita nyo agad ay view. Ayan. Sobrang ganda guys, oh. Grabe. Tapos ngayon, super hangin siya. Hindi mo tuloy ikaw nasa the open Rory. Feeling mo ikaw si Rory eh. So eto guys, this is I think the 18th, no?
Yes.
This is the 18th hole, guys. This is a par 4. Grabe, kailangan dito na marami kang control sa sarili mo. Yung mga power hitters na yan. Low. So yan, and then ayan. Ito yung ginagawa, no? Ito yung Faldo.
I'm not sure kung ito yung Faldo, but this KJ Choi, the 18th hole of the KJ Choi. As you can see, dito, ito siya.
Galing.
So, parehas sila since they have the same clubhouse, of course. And dyan yung pinaka-end, of course.
This is a 450 hectares na
Yes,
facility.
total of 450 hectares.
So-
We're planning there's like a master plan on this, but overall we want to make it a community where the golfers or everyone, of course, in public will be joining with us.
Super ganda. First ano pa lang. And then when you go here, guys, of course, you know the titas. The titas, hindi lang pwede maganda yung golf course. Ang very important sa amin yung facilities. Maganda ba ang banyo?
Yes.
Malinis ba ang locker? In fact, yung sa course ng mga banyo, malinis siya, guys. Super.
Yung mga tea house.
Yes,
Yes,
yung mga banyo sa tea house, very important sa amin yun. Dahil alam nyo naman, ang mga tita sa mga bladder namin, kailangan namin. And then they have here their pro shop, the number 9 by Hand Reserve. And here, syempre, part of doing golf, playing golf, is the food. Of course, kailangan yun. Kailangan masarap ang pagkain. Mahilig ka ba sa kumain? Tapos tignan niyo muna yung view bago tayo pumunta sa kainan. O, di ba? Ang social-social dito. Hindi ko alam kung nasa hotel ako, nasa golf course, eh, no? So, eto, ang pangalan nito ay Cabana.
Yeah, this is the cabana.
Hindi ko alam kung resort to, eh, no? Parang, kulang na yan dito, beach, guys. So, eto, ang Cabana. So, dyan kami kanina, na nagdumating kami. So, pwede kayo dyan. Sobrang hangin. Guys, pababa tayo. Pupunta tayo sa... Dito may kainan pa,
Yes,
di ba?
this is our restaurant talaga, the Karma.
Ito yung restaurant nila.
That
This is
we-
Carman.
Carman.
Okay, so...
in Karman, we offer 3 cuisine, which is the Western,
Western,
Korean,
Korean,
and
and Filipino. So, because actually, guys, alam nyo, isang okay na idea din to. Like yung friend ko kasi na golfer na addict din, katulad ko, si Madam Chaibol, birthday niya. So, dito kami magpa-party. So, dito kami kakain sa Carman by Hand Reserve. So, atin puntahan. Itong napakaganda nilang restaurant. Wow, talagang bagong-bago pa siya. Ang ganda. Ang social talaga nitong Hand Reserve. So guys, ito ang kanilang restaurant. Oh my gosh, ang winner dito ay ang view.
the view, yes, yes.
The view. Ito na, this is the winner, guys. Two thumbs up. So kahit na ang sama ng laro mo, tumingin ka na lang doon. Tapos kumain ka ng kumain. Or uminom ng beer. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Later, we will have a taste of the food nila. So, ang next natin papakita, of course, ay yung locker room.
yeah.
So, yung locker room dito. Kasi nabi nila maganda daw eh.
Yes.
We will go there.
I can assure you on that one. Kasi also in our
Very
locker room-
particular ang mga tita sa mga locker room, ha? Kala nyo hindi namin na monitor kung ano yung hair dryer na ginagamit, kung yung lotion at powder, whatever. So, very important yan sa mga tita. Kasi alam mo, marami kasi sa naglalaro ngayon, mag-golf sila sa umaga, ng maaga, maliligo sila, tapos mag-office.
Yes.
So, importante sa kanila ang locker ay opening. So, tayo ay pupunta na sa lalaki.
sorry.
Ano ka pala kami? Sa lalaki pa rin. Ito na yung locker rooms. At ako'y na yung magtutuloy ng ano mo. O, diba? Or spa. Hahanapin natin yung mga kaibigan natin. Hi, guys! Okay, that's the locker rooms. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, guys. What can you say about the locker rooms here in Hand Reserve? Really, Rumi? I know, right?
It smells good.
Smells good.
It's so I can bright and airy.
Yes, because if you feel good, you play good. Okay, so can I see the locker?
Yes, you can
Hi.
open my locker. Just like there's nothing there.
Wow! So, meron ditong tumbler. Saan pa may tumbler? So, may chinelas, guys. Meron dyan. At hanger. And this saan yung kanilang shower, guys. Okay, wow. It's like we're in a hotel or something. I know, right? Yes. So, here, meron dito. Ito yung mga toilets nila na magaganda. OM. Look at their... Wow. My gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. O, diba? At ang bango. In fairness, ang bango. May water pa. O. Tapos dito, guys. Okay, ito nga very important sa atin. Wow, may individual dresser. Wow. Okay, meron important to, guys. Meron ganito. Dyson. Alam nyo na. Napang mayaman to. Merong combs dito. Merong vanity kit. Feeling ko nasa hotel talaga tayo, guys, ha? Vanity kit. Oh, diba? May hairbrush. Wow, nice. So, lahat yan, guys, meron sila. Oh, then, eto pa. Meron ka pang mga, eto yung sinabi sa akin doon sa, na meron silang skincare dito na you can try. So, dahil Korean, syempre, ayan, ang dami nila. May mga cleansing oil, may body lotion. Oh my gosh. So, ang dami, guys. Oh, hindi kayo dyan. So, yeah, and then they also have the toilets. Super, super nice. Nitong locker ng... Kaya tingnan mo itong mga Champions Class. Chismisan siya ng chismisan. Wala. I'll see you at the fair.